this video, I'm going to give you a complete breakdown of the whole dividend payments for April. Imagine every day you're getting a little bit of an amount coming in that then gets reinvested and buys more shares. So that's called compounding. And you can start off slowly, and then eventually you can have a fair amount of money coming in per week, and it gets reinvested, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. The way you got to look at it is, if you're starting to build a snowball, you gather a little bit of snow, and then as you roll it, it just gets bigger and bigger because it picks up more snow along the way. So this is what I'm basically showing you, is that I don't care what the stock market is doing as far as up and down, although my portfolio is doing really well, which I'll highlight a little bit later on. The main thing is that every single day you're getting paid dividends, sometimes a little amount and sometimes a fair amount. So there is days where we can make 600-700 quid. This is just basically different portfolios and different brokers where I've got some money invested in stocks and ISAs. This is all ISAs, so it's tax free. This one here in particular is INCU, which is an American ETF, pays quarterly dividends. And as you can see, not every day, but every second or third day, you got money coming in, which is an amazing feeling. So April update, £1,800. So this is just one of our brokers, which is Trading 212. There's about £100,000, a bit more than that, but you can see almost every second day there's dividends coming in. So this just shows you dividends, doesn't show the reinvestment, but I just want to see pretty much what you've seen in that page beforehand. And this is just one of my 6 or 7 portfolios. You should always have different brokers so you don't put too much money into one particular broker. So just to show you what April looks like. As mentioned before, my portfolio, i.e. the blue line, compared to the SP500, is up a fair bit, 78,000, I believe, in the last 6 months. So he's doing really well. Plus, I'm getting all the dividends. So come with me in my own little journey. Subscribe to the channel, and